So, welcome backstage.
Thank you.
It was a quite interesting talk. I mean, I know impressive was already mentioned 1 million times.
We were just getting started.
Yeah, exactly. So we have some questions from the viewers. I would like to translate to you. So, do you find perfectionism regarding to outlook and form of the vegetables as a demand from the customers or a standard that the stores set for themselves?
That's the question we're trying to tackle all the time. I think it was a bit of a chicken and egg thing, but how it seems that it maybe still is mostly coming from the supermarkets, that they were to decide. So basically, it's based on a couple of things. First of all, supermarkets, because they are running on mass, they're running on efficiency and standardization as much as possible. They know exactly how many cucumbers there are on a square meter of a shelf space. So then, to make sure they always know that, they started to put these standards on the size and the weight and the length and even the diameter of a cucumber, for example. Just one of the many examples that there are. But then because of that, because we consumers started to see kind of standardized view on the
That's
shelves.
what we got used to.
Yeah, we got used to, and that's how we started to put the understanding of quality. That's kind of started to reinforce itself, and. But now we're kind of turning it around, and we us highlighting the fact that ugly is beautiful, and that it comes from the inside. But that people, because it really is clear for us that the people are ready to eat this, and that the beauty is not measuring the quality in any way. So we're kind of overpowering the supermarket standards now.
And then, as you run your business now for some time, do you see it more appealing that it's just about the flavor? So your customers are obviously open for not the prettiest carrots and cabbages around, which is really nice. But so customers are more like, if is it the same taste? I just gonna cook it anyway. I gonna chop it up. So why does it matter how the carrot looks like, or what do you experience?
Yeah, I think it's a lot about that. So once you start experimenting with this whatever wonky looking, different colored vegetables and fruits, then you realize like it's exactly the end result is the same, and sometimes even better, because actually this kind of produce is real. It's not gene modified because it looks like this, So actually, the effect or the feedback that we get is that it is actually very good quality and really tasty vegetables. And all we have is organic as well, all from very good farms that really focus on sustainability and also good quality. So I think it sometimes surprises quite positively our customers.
And then maybe a last question that. Yes, since you are also entrepreneurs, that do you think that funding of entrepreneurs is more important than investing into big companies?
Yes. That's my completely non-biased answer. But I think it really is what drives the change. What we heard from the panel there as well, that Simon was talking about, is that and also, all of us actually, we are the crazy entrepreneurs. That, we find a problem and we find a solution, and, there's so much drive and passion. And then when you start getting your customers, your team members, your stakeholders, whoever it is in your community, this is where the movement starts, and this is where the change starts. And you would, if you can get some capital to support that, then this is how we actually change the behaviors. I definitely think that this is where the money should go.
To be honest, I agree with it as well. And then thank you so much for answering the questions. Thank you so much for being here and spreading the word and saving all the cabbages.
Thank you. That's what we're here for.
You're the hero of the vegetables, I guess.
Thank you.
So hope to see you next year as well. Thank you.
Thank you.